Good morning, Roger. This is what I missed to show you in the last video last week. So when they were preparing the contour, see the soil that went up there where Concejal is, which they're going to push here. They're just finishing the contouring up there. Mas mayo ang talit ko dati, mga bato-bato, no? Para ma-push niya, no? Kani bang bato, no? Para matabunan ba? Dagka na sagdawa na kuwag yutaan alit, no? Oh, pero permanent naman na. Kat ani adire slide man ha hindi man ta kat I'll off this Roger.